On this lonely road, trying to make it home, doing it by my lonesome, pissed off who wants some. I'm fighting for my soul, God get at your boy. You try to go God, fall back, I go hard. On this lonely road, trying to make it home, doing it by my lonesome, pissed off who wants some.
I see them long hard times to come.
Yo, what's back? I'm back. Hollarmoto in the house. This is some bullshit. I'm just out here fucking being fucking metal on my my crossbones. Just having a good time today. I'm really truly hoping no cars fly out in front of me, even 800 feet away. That's fucking dangerous, man. But evidently, you can get fucking road rage videos out of that shit, man. Even 800 feet away. Oh, don't do it! No! Oh my God, he's so... No, fuck, I'm gonna die! He's too close! That's fucking dangerous! Fuck you, asshole! Woo! God. I honestly thought I was gonna lose my life right there. So anyways, winter's upon us. I already made a truck vlog, didn't do very well. Y'all hate the truck vlogs. I don't know why. Fuck you guys. I'm in my truck. You get to see me. But whatever. Probably gonna be the last time I'm on the bike. I haven't been on the bike in a month. Probably gonna be the last time I'm on the bike this year. There's the last day that it's supposed to be nice. It's supposed to be completely shit from here on out. So winter's upon us, more truck vlogs. Y'all gonna have to get over it. Y'all gonna watch. Y'all need to start watching more and more and kiss my brown eye. This winter hits, we get some nice snow. I'll put some damn lot more drone videos out. I'm hoping at that Mavic Air 2. I'm gonna utilize the equipment I have in a proper way instead of not utilizing the equipment I have in the improper way. I'm not mentioning no names. But it's pretty cringy. You gonna stay in your lane there, bubs, or what? So this winter, I'm sure be live streams, stuff like that. You know, we're not gonna be playing Grand Theft Auto and fucking Airplane Simulator in our live stream, so no video games, no quiplash, whatever the fuck you call it. Be just people, friends, having conversations like it should be. So drone videos, truck vlogs, live streams, video games, shit like that. Oh my God, that hurts so much. Oh. I'd be kind of glad to get off this bike anyways. I don't know what's going on. I gotta go to the dock fucking dirt and see what's going on with my left elbow. Something has happened. I don't know what's wrong with it. I haven't hit it. I haven't strained it. All I know is I can barely pick anything up with my left hand. When I grip it, it hurts like hell. Like this, like that right there hurts. Like I can barely pull the clutch in on the bike. So luckily for me, I always don't clutch anyways when I shift. But sitting at a stoplight, stop sign, whatever, sucks. Because it does hurt. I don't know what I did to it. All I know is it hurts like hell. And it's like in the bone. So I don't know what the fuck's going on. So is this kind of like the last motovlog of the year? I'm gonna guess yes. You will see other videos though, because I have a backlog. I think I've said that in a couple videos. Still have to edit them all out, but I do have a backlog of videos. Oh, please stay green, please stay green, please stay green. Fuck!
Look at my crotch! Look at my crotch! Look at my crotch!
Fuck, I really hope I'm recording, because without having mirrors on a bike, it makes it really hard to know if you're recording or not. I'm recording. Okay, cool. That's a good looking bike. Like I said, I have some backlog of videos. Come next year, like I say every year, like everybody says every year, hopefully I'll bring a few different things to the channel. Hopefully you know, plans work out, blah blah blah. I'm right in the middle of buying a house right now. Actually, I'm in the middle of buying my house, the one I live in. Long fucking story. But I'm actually right in the middle of trying to buy it. Not trying, I'm going to, because I really don't want to move. All my shit's there, everything's set up. There's no reason for me to fucking move. And it's cheap. I'm getting the house dirt cheap. Fuck, I hate motovlogging at a goddamn stoplight. Alright, so anyways, that's the plans for this winter. Probably going to be the last bike video you get to see of, I can't say that because I got backlog videos and you'll see those. For me, this is probably the last time I'm riding this bike this year. Come on, 2020, be a good year. But quick, easy, done talking, time to go, time to ride. As always, if you're new here, you like what you see, it'd be awesome if you hit that subscribe button, hit that like and that share. Make sure you leave a comment. Comments still ain't fixed. I thought they was, they're not. They're still not fixed, but they're getting better. Make sure you share the video around with anybody, everybody that you'd like to. Fuck, it's windy as hell out here. Also, I'm gonna make this turn first. I'm not even gonna stop because fuck red lights. No, we don't stop at stop signs. We don't stop at stoplights for a comment in a different video. As always, dream about me, and I will catch you on the flip side. Later. Oh my god, he pulled out in front of me! Ah, I'm gonna die!